RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany is brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait technology from Corteva Agriscience. Sean Hady here with Real Agriculture. We're at Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany, brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait seed technology from Corteva Agriscience. Right now we're in the AGI booth. We're joined by Noam. Noam, how's it going?
It's going great. Thanks, Sean.
First Agritechnica?
Nope, I've been here before. 4 years ago, I think, was the last one.
Yep.
And we took a little hiatus for COVID, but glad to be back.
Yeah, well, it's great to be with you here today. So, talk about what you do at AGI.
Sure. I have two roles. One is I run the corporate development group, so anything strategy, M&A, sustainability, investor relations, and I run the feed platform.
Okay, so let's talk about the feed platform, because there's a lot of people that are familiar with AGI and what you do in the area of storage and conveyance, but what is the feed platform?
Yeah, so the feed platform, best way to think about it is two different solutions, one for the farm capacity and one for commercial capacity. On the farm side, we've got a flex mill solution, all AGI, including storage and handling on the front end. The processing piece, we do our own hammer mills, manufacture mixers, microdosing, all of that, and then truckload out packaging. So full AGI solution for farm solution. And then on the commercial side, we'll partner with some third-party specialized feed milling equipment, and we'll also offer the full complete solution to our customers.
So basically, if there's a commercial company or hey, a large feed yard, for example, or hog operation, they're looking to put in a new feed system, they can basically come to you as a one-stop shop.
That's exactly the idea. And that's a bit of the unique offering that AGI has. The storage, the handling, and the processing combined in one place is something we don't see out there very often.
So is somebody coming to you with, say, flat ground and saying, hey, we need to engineer a project, are you doing like all of that design and that planning work as well?
It depends on where in the world. So in certain regions, we'll do that from beginning to end. In certain regions, like in North America, we'll partner with our partners, the contractors, who do some of that work themselves.
Yeah. So I grew up in a feed yard, a pretty archaic feed mill compared to some of the systems that are out there today. Talk about some of the technology and some of the precision that comes with a feed platform or a new feed system that you guys are putting into some of these commercial operations.
Yeah, so on the technology side, we'll partner with different automation companies on the controls piece. We'll also have our own monitoring solutions in bins, and we'll have our own hazard monitoring solutions on the material handling. So you end up with quite a technologically advanced feed mill solution overall.
I would think that some of the technologies kind of go up and down. So, some of the technology you're using from a bin monitoring standpoint, work into a large-scale feed system. And some of the things that are going into large-scale feed systems work their way into some of the smaller product offerings as well.
That's exactly right. It's some of the technology we have can be applied across multiple applications, in different markets. So, yeah.
Is there an area of the world that AGI is not present? I'm looking at a map here behind us, and I didn't take the time to kind of look at it, but really at this point, AGI is really very, very global in nature.
We've got 30 manufacturing facilities around the world, set up as regional hubs, so regional hubs in North America, Canada, US, regional hub in Brazil to address the Latin America market. We've got a regional hub in Italy, with operations in Italy and France for the EMEA market, and then quite a big hub in India to address the India and Asia Pacific market. So the reality is that we can sell products within each of those regions, manufactured in that region, delivered in that region, which is a huge advantage for us.
So when you think about the feed platform business, there has to be a lot of differences between a system in India versus Italy versus Indiana.
A lot of differences. On the feed platform, we're starting in the Americas. That's our phase one. And we're transferring our technology so that we can manufacture that equipment in Brazil now. So we just completed that technology transfer, and we're delivering feed mill solutions starting in Q1. And in India is the next product transfer, so that we're able to address that entire side of the world. Yeah. And yes, different solutions tailored to those markets.
Yeah. Well, Noam, thanks a lot for giving us an update here on the feed platform with AGI. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of Agritechnica.
Thank you, Sean. Pleasure to be with you.